Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Snapchat notification sound. If you're using Snapchat and you want to change Snapchat notification sound, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for apps section. And here just select Snapchat app. Select Snapchat. And here select notifications. And you have to make sure that you have enabled all the notifications from here. Then go back and here open your Snapchat app. Now, in your iPhone, you haven't any direct way to change all our Snapchat notification sound, but you can still change chat's notification sound for any specific chat. Let's say I'm gonna open my chat section here, and I'm going to change notification sound for this one. Just keep a long press on this. Then select chat and notification settings. Then select notification settings here. Then select notification sound. Now you just have to select anyone which you want, or you can even play them here to get the preview. And after getting a preview, just select anyone which you want, and then your Snapchat notification sound will be successfully set. So in this way, you can easily change Snapchat notification sounds. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.